How to unban Litmatch account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can unban the Litmatch account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So there may be certain reasons why your Litmatch account has been banned. And one of them may be because you have violated the security policy of the Litmatch account, or you may haven't, and Litmatch have shown you that error message of you violating a privacy policy of the Litmatch and your account has been banned. So what you can do in order to fix that is just compose an email to the Litmatch official account. Head up to your Gmail account and make sure to log in with the same account that is associated with your Litmatch account. After that, you need to compose an email. So what you're going to do is simply hit on this compose at the bottom. After that, here on 2, you just need to type in suggestions@litmatch.net. Suggestions@litmatch.net. Just type in that and add that person as a recipient. And here on subject, type in request to unban my account. Just type in request to unban my account. After that, compose the email. You may just copy the text that I'm showing on my screen right now and compose an email like this, like saying, "Hi Litmatch, my account has been banned, but I haven't violated any privacy policy of the Litmatch." After that, under there, write your name of your account, of your Litmatch name, and then just tap on send and send an email to the Litmatch account, and the Litmatch customer service should reach out to you and try helping you to unban your account. So just follow the steps and you should be able to unban your Litmatch accounts very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.